Hi everyone, my name is AJ Claire M. Lukay. So today I'm discussing to you about permutations. So permutations, it is a set can mean one of two different things, or it is an arrangement of its members in a sequence or linear order, and also or process of changing the linear order of an order set. So, for examples, arranging books on the shelves, creating passwords, scheduling the tasks, accurate numbers combination. So those are the examples of permutations.
So good morning everyone. My name is Grace Balasabas Aligiosu. I'm going to discuss the permutation example. So here are the example of permutation. In how many different ways can you arrange 3 books on a shelf from a group of 7? So solution, and the formula is NPR equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So the n is the object and the r is the object to choose. So 7PR equals 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial is equals to 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So we're going to find the 7 factorial. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is the factorial of 7. So we're going to find also the 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is the factorial of 4. So therefore, we're going to cancel the 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 and also the denominator 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and we're going to times the 7 times 6 times 5 is equals to 210. So therefore, there are 210 ways we can arrange 3 books on a shelf from a group of 7. So that's all. Thank you.
The definition of combination is different from permutation. The combination are for groups, the permutation are for lists. A combination is an arrangement of an item in which order does not matter. Since the order does not matter in combination, there are fewer combinations than permutation. The combination are a subset of permutation. Next are the examples.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Marie Ragrowa. I will be introducing about the combinations. So the formula, which is NCR equals n factorial divided by n minus r factorial divided by r factorial. For example, how many teams of a 4 can be produced from a pool of a 12 engineers? So the solution will be, ang n will be the object, the number of object. And also, the r will be the number of object for chosen. So our n equals 12 and our r equals 4. So the formula which is NCR equals n factorial divided by n minus r factorial divided by r factorial equals 12C4 equals 12 factorial divided by 12 minus 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial equals 12 factorial. 12 minus 4 equals 8 factorial and 4 factorial. The next, 12C4 equals 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 and times 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial, 4 times 3, 4 times 2, 4 times 1. And also, we need to cancel the 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial. And we need to cancel 12 to 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So we need to cancel it. The next, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we need to put it 5. The next 11, 5 times 9 will be remaining. Then equals 11 times 9 equals 99 times 5 and equals 495. So our answer, which is 12C4 equals 495. So we chosen a 495 of teams from a 4 can be produced from a pool of a 12 engineers.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ms. Lori Cadihito. I'm going to discuss about our topic, which is the difference between combinations and permutations. When you say permutations, it is an order matters, which is a sequence is importance. There is no repetitions. Then, for elements appears only once. Lastly, the arrangement, which mean elements are arranged in a specific order. But when you say combinations, order doesn't matter, which means selection sequence is irrelevant and there is no repetitions. Then four elements are chosen without regard to order. And for the key differences of permutations and combinations, permutations consider order while combinations ignore it. Arrangement and selections. For permutations arrange elements while combinations select elements. For calculations, permutations use factorial, while combinations use binomial coefficients. So that's all.